Hey guys, what is going on? Today we are at Bruges, the station of Bruges, and as you see it's getting darker, so it's now about 9 p.m. I just want to apologize for not making any videos the last couple days because I have to work really long and I'm not kind of busy with the videos, but I will do more often for you guys. So we're heading to Subway now for a post-workout meal. So see you at Subway. Kalkoen, double. We have a foot-long sandwich from Subway with double meat turkey on it and some cheese and all vegetables besides peppers. And we have a white chocolate chip cookie with it. That will be my dinner for today. Guys, I just want to talk about my work. So basically I work at an ice cream bar. We serve ice cream, of course, Belgian waffles, all kinds of delicious desserts. So that's not so good for my macros. So I just eat this to get my protein and some carbs in after my big ass workout. The last few days I couldn't work out that good because I had some issues with my neck and I wasn't able to do any exercise. Besides that, this sandwich is really freaking awesome. This meat is so good. With the cheese, oh my god, it has so much turkey on it, so much protein, so good. This is like the Diet Coke thing, but another brand. So guys, if you are wondering how the station in Bruges looks like, is it really beautiful in Bruges? It's really big. For Bruges it is big, and yeah, I hang out here every day because I have to go by train to work. And that's okay because I work with my best friend and that's really awesome. We're almost at the 50 subscriber mark. Guys, if I get that before the vacation ends, so that's before 1 September, I will attempt the Rock Legendary Cheat Day, eating 12 pancakes, 4 pizzas and 21 brownies. So I finished my Subway bread, and now the dessert, chocolate, white chocolate chip cookie, and these are freaking good, man. These are fucking delicious. These are fucking the best cookies in my entire life. Subway cookies, white chocolate chip, damn. That was it for the 18th part, guys. See ya. So I'm still waiting for the buzz right now, but this will be the end of the video. This was my first post-workout meal. Hope you guys enjoy that. Like and subscribe if you enjoy my video, and let me know what you think of the video in the comments. So see you guys at the next clip ASAP.